that we have the girl's location, what do we do next?
You will first of all handle the idiots that gave you the information. Then we will extract our known enemy and then send her where she belongs.
What about father? Should I involve him?
No, forget about him. Just focus, okay? Forget about your father.
My God, this is how the princess planned to pay me back for giving her the information she needed. I shouldn't have divulged anything to her on mere promise. I would have waited for her to deliver on her promise of helping me marry her brother. I never knew it was all a plan to have me killed. Those idiots deserve no mercy.
Usamaka! Usamaka!
Yes, come in. The door is open.
Wow. Look who we have here. I told you she will come around.
See, this is everything you need to know about the princess. Yes, her inheritance and all that is in her possession. I want you to milk her dry for me.
This is interesting.
Fruits, oh dear. Bia, gora akara, fried yam, fruits, granuts, akamo. Every customer, bia. Jesus! Oh, sorry, I'm going. Yes, I'm moving. Sorry.
The Queen, what is going on? Will you shut up? You! I have never shed tears over a child I brought into this world before. But you made me shed tears for stealing my son's attention. Not just that. You also took him away from me. What did I do to you? What have I done to deserve this?
My queen, Ezioku Magachuku, I never asked the prince to do anything.
Will you shut up? You were talking. You still have the nerves to talk. Oh. You a fool. Bastard. You made my son do the unthinkable. Now you are here telling me you are innocent. You want me to believe that? You will suffer.
Please, my queen.
Read my lips. You are going to suffer.
My queen, I swear to God I am innocent. I never asked him for any help. He's just been the one rendering helps. Please, don't.
You shall breathe your last today. Mark my words.
This life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality, abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanini never fool. We are one now. We are one now. I need never fool. We are one now.
Igwe, you live long. Igwe, after the meeting of your key cabinet members in my house, we unanimously agreed that the Osu caste system should be abolished.
Yes. Igwe, it has brought nothing but setback for our people.
Igwe.
People that are supposed to be seen as brothers and sisters are seen to be enemies. People that are supposed to help each other are being haunted and segregated.
These days, nobody wants to help each other again. No love, no compassion. Just because our people have developed the heart of the devil and relish. Punishing each other, punishing their fellow human beings. Just because tradition has labeled them outcasts.
And that is why we want to stop it now.
Yes! Today.
My elders, let me be frank and honest with you. My son brought this to me and I was so scared. No king has ever abolished the tradition, even though he has the power to do so. I think my son is right. And I'm also very happy that you elders are in support. I have failed in my responsibility as a father to my son. And that is why he left the palace. And for that reason, the procedures required in the abolishment of the caste system will start today.
I went in search of my missing ATM card and I found this. How? No. 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 No! Mother, where are you, please? Oh, okay, you're back. I'm at the sitting room upstairs. Please, can you come? I'm fine. There is something I want to show you. Yeah. All right.
Were you able to find the missing ATM card?
No. Not only was I unable to find it, I wasn't able to access my bank app. I think their system is down or something. So how did it go? I mean, what's the plan with this slave idiot?
I had already told the boys to get rid of her this evening and then dispose her body into the ocean, where your brother can't even see her or anybody.
Wow. Wow. Mother, do you know you're such a mafia?
You can say that again, my child.
Such a smooth operator. Oh wow, you are so good at this. And you know what? It actually calls for celebration. We have to make a toast to that.
What do you think? Same.
I'll be right back. Let me get some drinks.
Yes, darling.
Yes! Woo, 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 woo! You did it, Mom! My God! You are a true queen, and we make a chance to the good life.
Oh, yeah.
And for completely getting rid of trash.
Exactly.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
And if I may ask, I would like to know how I came about as member of this family. I mean, how did I become part of the royal home?
I don't get it. Oh. Where did you get that from?
Exactly where I'm supposed to find it. I know my life has been surrounded by secrecy. I mean, my whole life in this palace is nothing but a complete sham. So I'm asking you, for the last time, before you die, I need you to tell me the truth. The whole truth, and nothing but the truth. How did I become part of this family?
Osinachi, you poisoned me. Ah!
That is not the question. Answer me! How did I become part of this family?
Osinachi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I hid it from you all this while. Even the king is not aware of it. Nobody knows about it. When I was pregnant, the day of my D-Day, I went to the hospital. The doctor told me I was carrying a dead child. And he said he said I won't be able to have another child because of the medical condition. So I had to do the unthinkable. I connived with a nurse that sold you to me to kill the woman that gave birth to you. She brought you to me and took my dead child to the woman. It was later that I found out your mother was an Osinachi. You are an outcast.
This is what you get for being so wicked. You deserve worse than death.
You have to calm down, my prince.
How can I calm down, Akumafo? How can I calm down? They are going to kill Ihoma. They'll kill her.
You don't know that for sure.
Of course I know. What kind of kidnapper kidnap somebody without asking for ransom? If they don't ask for ransom, that means they're going to kill the person. I'm not sure she's still alive.
She's still alive. That is what you ought to believe. You need to be positively minded right now, my prince.
Hey, God, help me. Please, God, don't let anything happen to me.
Your phone.
Bring her back safely. Yeah, hello? Yes, I can hear you. What? Are you sure? Okay, send it. Yes, send it immediately. Yes, send it. Hey.
What?
My sister. She said she just got the location of kidnappers.
Huh?
Yes, she's sending it right now.
Good.
Hey, look, once she does, we'll forward it to the police.
Straight up. I told you she's still alive. Let's just be positive and strong.
Mwamaka.
Yes, ma'am.
No, a sitting king cannot behold a corpse.
I know, my king.
Check her very well. Is she really dead?
She's really dead, my king.
Who must have done this?
My king, look at what I found. My king, I think Osinachi killed her.
Osinachi, my daughter?
Yes, my king.
Princess, what is going on here?
I ran away from the palace.
Why? Why did you run away from the palace? What happened?
I killed my mother.
What? You killed her? Why? Is this a joke or what?
Listen, let me go inside first. I will explain everything. It happened so fast.
What?
That evil woman. I figured out that she wasn't my real mother. So I poisoned her. In the rage, I poisoned her.
What?
Just like the way you wanted to poison me.
What is going on here?
Excuse me. What is going on here is that I gave you a vital information you were in need of. You promised to connect me to your brother, the prince, to marry me. Instead of you to do that, you chose to poison me. Usinachi, you are very wicked. Obi talagi miri. I swear to God. So if I hadn't seen the time you were poisoning the drink, I would have been dead by now. I thank my chi for not letting this thing happen to me.
Look, Stanley, I am just going to ask you for the last time. What the hell is this lowlife doing here?
Oh, you want to know what the lowlife is doing here? This lowlife has made a vow to take everything that belongs to you. Yes! Including the man you claim to love. Osinachi.
No way! No way! No way! What? You must stop explaining!
Leave me alone! Let me stop! Leave me alone!
What's wrong with you?
You want to fight when we have not started? See, let me tell you. I am sure you have not accessed your bank account in some hours now. Oh yes! You know what that means. You know what it means. It means we have taken over every damn thing in your accounts. Yes! Yes.
No!
Don't come close to my boyfriend. Don't even try it. So both of us now, who is now wiser? Who is wiser? Tell me! You are claiming you are wise.
Stanley, you know,
we have not even started. You don't know. See, let me tell you. I am on the verge of becoming Stanley's wife.
You lie! You lie. Both of you lie. You lie!
Look, you want to fight? You lie! Leave my boyfriend alone! You lie! Leave my boyfriend alone! You lie! Leave my boyfriend!
Somebody help! They just step out! Please help! Anybody that can help me, come!
for mere. Nena, wanna wait for mere. Nena, wanna wait for mere. Nena, wanna wait for mere. They go out. They go out. They go out.
She hid the secret from me until it led to her death. Osinachi was never a part of this family. When she realized that she was adopted and an outcast, she killed her mother.
Well, Father, first of all, let me apologize for leaving the palace. I shouldn't have done that, but I needed to stay away for a while, sort out things. I'm sorry. And I heard you've abolished the Osuka system. Thank you, Father. Thank you. Thank you. I mean, it's a system that has held our people down for so many years. Families have been suffering because of it. And I know that now that it's gone, our people will be very proud of you. Thank you, Father.
Your Majesty, I'm so sorry for everything that happened. I also want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to my prince. May God bless you. You have done so much for me, even when I know I don't deserve it. May God bless you, may God protect you, may God grant you all your heart desires. My prayer for you today is that God will bless you with a beautiful, respectful woman that will give you beautiful children and a peaceful home. You're the best, my prince, and you simply deserve the best. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my king. I'm really grateful. I'll forever be indebted. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate your kind words. As for finding a good woman, praying for a good woman, I don't think that will be necessary anymore. Because I've found that good woman.
Congratulations. Your home is blessed.
That woman is you. Will you marry me?
Yes, yes, yes. I've been waiting, yes. Yes, my prince.
This life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality. Abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanini never fool. We are one now. We are one now. And you need never fool. We are one now. We are one. We are one. And you need never fool. Let's stop the segregation. Let's stop the discrimination. And let's love all India. Yeah. No more fighting, no more killing. And you need never fool. See, this life is full of us. No one is too little to be ignored. And you need never fool. So bring back the equality. Abolish the slavery and segregation. Makanini never fool. We are one now. We are one now. anyị niile bụ ofu. We are one. We are one. Anyị niile bụ ofu. Let's stop the segregation. Let's stop the discrimination. And let's love only there. Yeah. No more fighting. No